Whoa. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, I'm good. I think I swallowed wrong, guys. Might be allergies. Yeah, I'm fine. It's springtime. How'd you get your account back on TikTok? I'm crying, guys, because I didn't. TikTok never replied to me. I messaged them like crazy for like a month. And they never replied to me. So I never got my main account back. Tears. 12-hour stream for me. Yeah, I'll just have to stay on like all day. So that way when you're eventually Don't worry, you guys, I'm fine. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I'll step away for a second. I also kind of want to get a tissue. Because I'm like, whoa. I just like, I'm totally fine. I hate when that happens because people really analyze it and like make it weird. But it's literally just like I swallow wrong or talk wrong. And then it's like, people go crazy. It's an interesting cough. Yeah, no, it's because I try to like stop myself. I sound kind of slurry. Yeah, it's because like, how do I explain it? I still kind of have like the coffee feeling in my throat a little bit. I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it's normal. I'm fine. I don't really know how to explain it. Like, it's normal. I'm fine. But it's just like, yeah, I just like talk wrong and it's like, yikes. I'll be back. I'm gonna kind of just, you know, cough, do what I gotta do. I think I'm just gonna like, you know, get a tissue and some stuff. And just kind of like, yeah. So I'll be right back. I won't be too long, don't worry. How's chat been while I've been gone? Yeah, I'm totally fine. I just like, yeah, sometimes like, I just have that happen. I had you worried? No, don't worry, I'm fine. No, you guys, I'm totally okay. Like, I've had that happen to me like a couple of times on stream where I either like talk wrong, I think, or I kind of swallow wrong, or just like whatever. And then it's like, I need to cough, and like, I don't know. Like, people will think I'm like gonna die or something, like it's crazy. Is this Eugenia's twin sister? Maybe. Maybe the real Eugenia did die. Ooh, guys, I think I just heard wind. Do I hear wind? Let me see. Yeah, I'm a clone. Totally. The real one's gone. She coughed to death. Talk. Do you think being fat or obese is well, guys. I feel a cough coming on. I'm sorry. You could technically say, whoa. Might be allergies. Oh, I'm not gonna die. Don't worry, guys. I'm fine. Hi, yes, I still do with my mom. Don't worry, you guys. I'm all good. No, I'm really sorry. Honestly, I'm fine. It's so annoying when that happens because, okay, also, like, I get like allergies sometimes. So that's literally all it is. It's literally just me coughing. But then sometimes, like, when when it starts, I'm like, I can't really talk. you love my outfit. Oh, thank you, Yodis. I hope you're doing well too. Thank you. But no, don't worry, I'm fine. See, whenever it happens to me, it's like people like go and make videos and they're like, oh my gosh, like Eugenia has like a health scare. And I don't know, I think it's either me like swallowing wrong or I'll suddenly just get like an itch in my throat and I feel like I need to cough. But yeah, no worries, like seriously, like I'm fine. So it's all good. Like it's just a cough kind of thing. If you went to a deserted island, what 3 things would you take? My makeup, definitely. My phone. And wait, well, Buzz isn't a thing. Obviously I would take Buzz, but what else would I take? Maybe I'd take my Winnie the Pooh. Because he's always great to have. Oh yeah, nail polish is a good one. I would definitely want nail polish. If you didn't mean to hurt someone, but you still hurt them, would you consider yourself at fault? I think it kind of depends on the circumstances. Like, I would say, like, that would really vary, like, depending on the situation, and I would say maybe... Oh, sorry, guys. My throat is suddenly a little weird. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. I like choked. Oh. No, I'm fine. No, I'm okay, guys. No worries. Honestly, I don't know. It might even just be allergies. Like, my nose is feeling kind of, I don't know. And I think I just kind of swallowed wrong, too, or something. But I'm fine. Don't worry about it. I'm totally okay. I'm totally good. Just like allergies, I think. And also, do you guys ever do this thing where like, you like talk wrong or something? Why was I touching my chest? I don't know. Cause like your chest is connected with coughing. And I felt like I had a cough. But I'm fine. Yeah, I did get some water, guys. I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm all good. But yeah, just because I was coughing, have you guys ever done that where like you talk wrong or like you swallow wrong or something? And then you feel like you have to cough like really badly. And then you feel so bad because everyone's like, oh my gosh, are you okay? And I'm just like, yeah, I'm fine. But I can't really tell you that I'm okay because I feel like I'm about to start coughing like crazy. But yeah, no, nothing beyond that. Honestly, I'm totally fine. Like, no worries. I'm totally fine, guys. Just like a coughing thing. Totally fine. Don't worry about it. Slow down. Take your time talking. I mean, technically, like, the chat is always open. So technically, you guys can still keep talking in chat if you guys want to. But besides that, not really. I used to have a Discord, but Discord can get messy, so I long deleted that. But technically, there is Twitch chat. Technically, that's always open, so yeah. But alright, guys, I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you guys all so much for watching today. It was really fun. And alright, I love you all so much. Before I go, let's do a raid. We're gonna raid Luna Ghostess, guys. Luna is so sweet and beautiful. She's a super, super awesome person, and I love Luna. She's playing golf with your friends, so everybody please leave Luna lots of love. She deserves it. And I will talk to you guys later. I'm sorry to anyone that might be just joining. But alright, I love you guys. Leave lots of love for Luna. Love you guys. Bye. I just started like coughing like crazy. Sorry. Because a second ago, my throat was like getting really irritated. And I started having like this like coughing fit a second ago. And I was just like, ugh. Wow. Sorry guys, my throat has been like really, really bad. Thank you, Baby Quartz, for the bits.
I think you stopped buffering.
Oh, good. Hopefully. We'll see. Hopefully. Okay, oh, still glitching. Ah. It's so bad. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, wow. Oh, it's delayed. You guys are like, are you okay? I'm just like, yeah, I'm fine. I was just kind of having like a coughing fit a minute ago, but besides that, I'm fine. Thank you for the bits, Corpse Bride.
Hey girl, glad
Hi.
you're back. I was watching some of your makeup videos earlier, and was wondering if maybe one day you can show how you put your eyeliner.
Yeah.
Like you do. I need to learn.
Aw, well, thank you. Yeah, for sure. I get a lot of you guys like ask me how to do that sometimes, so yeah, if that's something you guys want to see, then yeah. Anyways. You're gone? Ah. I don't know what to do, guys. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Like, it doesn't fix it. Whenever I restart my internet, it literally never solves it. I don't know what to do. Like, I really just don't know what to do about it. I'm sorry. Thanks, Miss Luna Baby, for the 5 months.